YouTube. So in this video we're gonna make a developer's portfolio with using AI tools. This is beginner friendly. No coding is needed, but if you even have like some coding experience or you know how the element works, it will be still beneficial for you because you would be able to enhance your projects with AI and yourself. So it is perfect for students. So before starting, let's make sure to plan your portfolio content. So normally a portfolio needs a home section, project section, the skills you have, a place where you can enter the experiences or your resume, your contact, social links. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate these. We'll do all that and show you how that goes. Let's see that.
Let's go!
GPT, the prompt can be simple as this. Write HTML, CSS, and JS code for website portfolio, including the following sections. Give the full code. For me, since I have like my stuff like intro section, my project, skills, experience, contacts, all are like saved in ChatGPT, so I'll just like write used the other chats as reference for the above content, and if you require anything from me. We're gonna do the same thing with Copilot and Gemini, and after that we're gonna try some AI tools to see how well they perform. All right, let's run in. Wait, let's preview it actually. I mean, not bad actually. Their links are clickable, but people can like make this if you have like basic JS, HTML, CSS experience. To further it, you can also ask ChatGPT enhance the CSS styling, making the portfolio more interactive, and it should blow the employer's socks off. Let's see how well it does in this context. Wow, the code is getting bigger. All right, let's preview it. See? This is what I'm talking about. You should know the things that you want GPT to add so that it adds that for you. It's actually pretty nice. Now similarly, we would copy and paste the whole thing, paste it in Copilot and Gemini. I'll show you the results. Copilot. Now Copilot is more structured, to be honest. It provides you different files rather than showing all at once. We are in JS Fiddle. You can use this site to copy and paste the HTML, CSS, and JS code before review. Now let's run it and see. This time, I think ChatGPT did the best job, to be honest. So yeah, let's move on to other AI tools. Let's see how this Gemini does. Now Gemini also has the preview option, which is good. Not bad. Now we would take a look at AI website softwares that are like made for website building. We're gonna start with Framer AI. So let's see how that does.
And here we go.
Is for Framer AI. Let's start with a new project. Let's see templates. So there are a bunch of templates that you can actually like choose from. It just makes it much more easier. It's more about like designing, importing, adding different pages, navigation menus, medias, like all of this stuff. And you can also watch a tutorial to see how to work in this. It's not much about coding like we did with ChatGPT and Copilot, where you get like code and you can actually like edit all that stuff. But Durable.co, let's check this one out. So this is the UI. UI is kind of basic, to be honest, not that good. But who am I to judge? Folio website. Let's see. All right. I'm not sure this would be a good fit too, to be honest. But yeah, let's see. All right. Judging by the looks of it on the backside, this might be more suited to you if you want to make like a landing page for like a company, not a portfolio website. So this is not that great in my opinion. Let's check out the last one. Alright, so Wix ADI. These three you would use if you have no coding experience, and the next ones that we're gonna use would be the ones that would be beneficial for you if you had a bit of coding experience. So let's see Wix ADI interface. Nice, pretty good. Let's see. All right. No, I think this now the last two are the ones that I have personally used a couple of times and are pretty good, to be honest, in my opinion. Would be the best out of like all the three above ones. But I think Framer AI and Durable.co, this would be used if you want to like build a company or like start a small business. Wix ADI is much more complex. I'm not sure it would be helpful for someone who is like much experience in all that stuff. Framer AI, you have good experience with Figma, so you would probably use that. Now let's go on to Lovable.Dev.
Finally!
Is Bolt. On Bolt, I actually used it a couple of times. Now, this was the time when I was making a game with Bolt. I added all the features that should be in it. As you can see, all the extra time, all the stuff that should be in it. APIs. Now, this is the thing. Now, normally designers don't do stuff like APIs. You can add APIs into your website, which would make it much more better. It adds all, if you want to add like stuff other than that's already been added, you can also do that. Another good thing about Bolt is that it's much easier to see the code for the game. You can go in there, edit stuff yourself, because you are a coder, so you understand majority of the stuff that's going on here. So it makes it much more better. This was the game that I made with the help of AI. You can add all the stuff that you want, and besides that, you can also go to previous stuff with the help of restore, preview. If any error occurs, you can always tell about that. Overall, it is much better than ChatGPT and Copilot. And the best thing, you can also like publish your website and view the code that has been entered. And because you are a coder, you would understand what is going on here, and you can edit it as per your own stuff. Like components, if you want to change the chatbot's TypeScript, any pages that you want to edit, you can do all of that, which makes it much more easier as a coder. And the best part is still publish and syncing with GitHub. You can publish your projects on GitHub with the click of a button, and you can publish it onto a website. So this is the thing that I like about Lovable.Dev and Bolt.new. Even coding platforms like VS Code, that was like the basic one where you have to like code all the stuff by yourself. So Windsurf is kind of like the new one. I have tested it myself, which helps you with your code in real time. It kind of goes like this. So you're coding, you need some improvements, or you need to find some error, you can just enter here, the coder would do its thing. I would also recommend this one. It's also like much more helpful. Use all the above websites, AI platforms mentioned for branding, content, visuals, and try to keep it clean, minimal, and mobile friendly as well. I think most people forget to make their websites mobile friendly, so you can also do that. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you again next time.